Hey guys, what's up and Merry Christmas. I'm recording this on Christmas Eve because we just had Christmas and one of the gifts I got is the AirPods Max. Now, I did not think or expect to get these whatsoever. I actually wasn't even planning on purchasing them, but here we are. I'm going to unbox them for you. They are the space gray variant. I don't know how my grandpa got these, but thank you to him for basically sponsoring this video. And they're the space gray, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox these things. Now, these were on back order for 12 weeks, so how he got these, I don't know. But let's go ahead and unbox these together. So they do come with a smart case, which we will see, and they also come with a charger, but no charging brick, as Apple has removed that from most of their packaging. So here we go. All right, let's see. Oh my goodness. The AirPods Max. These are insane. So here we have, like I said, our little information packet. I believe we get an Apple sticker in there. Let's take a look. No Apple sticker. Interesting. But we do get a Lightning to USB-C cable. As I said, no charging bricks. So make sure you got one of those, or if you have a MacBook or something else you can plug USB-C into, go ahead and do that. It does come with a weird little purse looking, whoa! These are beautiful. Take these little lids off, and you will see inside the earpod, my brother's my cameraman, Mitchell, can you see that? There's a little R and an L to let you know. Oh my beauty. Let's go ahead and try these on. They already connect. Oh my God. Oh my, Mitchell, come here, be in the video. Are you ready for this? It's gonna sound like you're listening to yourself in a microphone. Ready? Talk.
Whoa.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
So as you can see, the top band is made from like a mesh material, almost very similar to the HomePod material. And we also have a digital crown, which is insane because the only other thing we've ever seen a digital crown on with Apple is the Apple Watch. So we now have a digital crown on Apple Watches and on the AirPods Max. And they do charge via Lightning, which I think is pretty neat. And they have the noise cancellation mode and the transparency mode, just as the AirPod Pros do. And like I said, these are the space gray variant. They also come in silver, sky blue, green, and pink. I don't know, I'm glad I do have the black ones. They're just the most, versatile and color fitting for everything. These are absolutely stunning, absolutely beautiful. I will definitely be using these. These are actually my first ever pair of any brand or any kind of over-the-ear headphones. I've never owned one, so it's pretty neat for me. And another thing I'm noticing is how light these are. Like, they have a good amount of weight to them, but at the same time, they are very light, hence the name AirPods Max. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel. I try to make new videos as much as I can. I hope you guys had a great holiday. I'll be posting this right after the holidays, but it is Christmas Eve today. So, like I said, pick yourself up a pair of AirPod Max. They're pretty